संकीर्तन की प्रभुपाद की निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे।
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा. So first of all, thank you very much for your participation in the Ram Navami volunteering. How many of you volunteered? Okay, very nice. In Srimad Bhagavatam, all of you know about the pastime of Narad Muni and Vyasdev, that conversation that they are having. Has anyone studied that section? No? Srimad Bhagavatam, in the first canto itself, the story of Narad Muni is given. So Narad Muni, in that particular section, there is a beautiful verse that comes. It says, Sushrusho Shraddha Dhanasya Vasudeva Katharuchi. What does that mean? It means that by doing service to Lord Krishna, service to Lord Krishna is a privilege. हर एक को नहीं मिलता है वो. By doing service to Lord Krishna, then our affinity for hearing Krishna Katha increases. हम जितना सर्व करेंगे उतना कृष्ण कथा अच्छा लगेगा. Our affinity or attraction for hearing about Lord Krishna will increase. Because why it's so? Because Krishna becomes indebted to us when we serve him. And to serve Krishna, we have to go out of our comfort zone. We all like to be within our comfort zone, correct? बैठे रहो घर पे, आराम करो, फैमिली के साथ रहो. We all are like that. By default ऐसे ही मन वहीं पे खींचेगा. But please understand that ये सब जाने वाला है एक दिन. There is, if we are just tied saying that पूछो मत, बहुत बिजी चल रहा है आजकल, पूछेंगे नहीं, ठीक नहीं पूछेंगे पूछेंगे, यही हमारा काम है. बिकॉज इफ वी डोंट आस्क, कौन पूछने वाला है? बॉस पूछेगा, मैनेजर पूछेगा कैसा है साधना आपका. विल मैनेजर आस्क ऑन मंडे मॉर्निंग, हाउ इज योर साधना गोइंग इन कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस? ही डजंट केयर. नोबडी केयर्स. इट्स ओनली इन दिस प्रोग्राम दैट देयर विल बी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हैव अ डिस्कशन ऑन दिस. लाइफ विल गो ऑन. इफ वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट डे व्हेन लाइफ विल बी, मतलब सब एक बार वो सेट हो जाएगा ना बराबर. You know, the mind keeps on telling you that. एक बार वो जो बराबर सब कुछ अपने अपने जगह बैठ जाएगा, उसके बाद में प्रॉपर फिर एकदम प्रॉपर दिस इज, ये कभी नहीं आने वाला है. विल इट एवर कम इन दिस लाइफ टाइम? डू यू थिंक इट विल कम? नहीं आएगा ऐसा दिन, नहीं आएगा. भगवत गीता वाज स्पोकन वेयर? इन क्राउन कैसीनो. आराम से बैठ के चलो, मिल के चलो दोनों, एकदम नज़ाकत मस्त फर्स्ट क्लास बैठते हैं दोनों आराम से. अरे एसी चला ना यार, ऐसा राइट, ऐसा था. सो वेयर वाज दिस मैसेज गिवन टू अर्जुन? उधर खून करावा चल रहा था, राइट. सो आवर लाइफ विल कंटिन्यू टू बी कुरुक्षेत्र. व्हाट इज दैट सॉन्ग? जिंदगी हर कदम, ये सबको याद है, एक नई जंग है. सो ये जंग चलता रहेगा. वो दिन नहीं आने वाला है. It will not come. If we think that day will come, we are fools. Okay, if I think I am a fool also, I am also like that. I also have a mind which is like a crow. Okay, it keeps procrastinating. कल से करते हैं. I have realized in over the years वो कल नहीं आता है. It's now or never, right? So it has to be now. So we have to take it seriously. So Narad Muni says that if you do service to Lord Krishna, then Krishna becomes indebted to you. He notices your service. And then Krishna starts interfering in your life. Service, seva or sadhana, sadachar. ये three things we have to remember. Sadhana, seva, sadachar. What is sadhana? Sadhana is our daily practices of chanting, hearing, reading. This is all largely composed of sadhana. And I'm not even talking about preaching right now. Preaching is also part of sadhana. But actually it's a part of sadhana and seva, both. But right now I'm not even going there. Okay, at least अपना तो संभालेंगे. Chanting minimum 16 rounds, following the 4 regulative principles, daily hearing at least 1 lecture, and then reading at least 1 verse of Bhagavad Gita. How many of you have Bhagavad Gita at home? Okay, at least you have JOSD, na? JOSD book is being given for what purpose? For studying that. सो एटलीस्ट और JOSD का एक पेज पढ़िए दिन में. वी आर नॉट सेइंग JOSD बुक कंप्लीट करके आना नेक्स्ट वीक. वी आर ओनली सेइंग JOSD का 1 page. If you can't study 1 page, study half page in a day. But do something regularly. Regularly जो नहीं करेंगे तो कभी नहीं होगा इस जीवन में. And if you are waiting, that अभी मत पूछो अभी क्यों बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है और नहीं होने वाला है. और ऐसे ही बोलते रहेंगे. After 10 years also we will keep saying the 10 years before we said the sentence. What has changed in the last 10 years? कुछ नहीं बदला, वैसे ही है जिंदगी. 10 साल के बाद कुछ नया उदय होने वाला है? नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. Again, 10 years hence also we will be saying the same thing, right? So take charge of your lives. Take charge. We all have to take charge of our lives. Krishna wants us to sit in the pilot's plane, not in the passenger seat. हाँ, जहाँ वक्त ले जाए, जब मिलेंगे तब करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है वो. अभी बैठ के हम लोग को क्या है वो इन फ्लाइट एंटरटेनमेंट एंजॉय करते हैं विद फूड, विद रिक्लाइनिंग सीट्स. भक्ति ऐसा नहीं होगा. वी विल हैव टू गो एंड पायलट आवर ओन प्लेन. किसका प्लेन है वो? Our own plane. Everyone has to pilot his own plane. Yesterday, you remember I was discussing, was it yesterday? Day before, no? Ram Navami was when? Day before. You remember the class I was giving? How many of you heard? Nobody heard? Okay. Only one or two persons. Okay. Huh? Sorry?
They're not able to have videos of.
No, that's okay. That's perfectly fine. In fact, that's better that you are doing seva. But I was trying to say one point that Kaikeyi, you remember that point about Kaikeyi? Kaikeyi ने क्या किया? Did she love Lord Ramachandra or no? Did she have affection? बहुत ज़्यादा affection she had. But what happened? Who poisoned her? Manthara came and in Gujarati we say चिंगारी छापे छे. बराबर है? तो चिंगारी छापा उसने आके अंदर. और कैसा चिंगारी छापा उसने? First sentence what she said? Who remembers? First sentence what she said?
She said the Bharat will take over Ram will take.
हाँ, if Ram takes over, तेरे बेटे का क्या होगा? भरत will never be the king. तो कैकेयी ने क्या बोला? ठीक है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें? अच्छा है. भरत is a servant of Ram. Because after all we all have to be servant of servant. दासानुदास का फंडा दिया उसको. फिर उसने मंथरा ने सोचा अभी क्या स्पिन बोरिंग डालूं इसको मैं. नेक्स्ट डिलीवरी वाज लिटिल बिट मोर, और थोड़ा गूगली दिया. व्हाट वाज दैट? अरे ठीक है, लेकिन उसके बाद व्हाट विल हैपन? भरत सन, इंस्टेड ऑफ भरत सन, राम सन विल बिकम किंग. हम लोग उसमें क्या है? भरत इज सर्वेंट ऑफ राम, हिज सन विल बी सन ऑफ राम्स सन. उसमें भी क्या है? सर्वेंट ऑफ सर्वेंट दिया. लेकिन थर्ड जो उसने डाला उधर गया, यॉर्कर बोल्ड. करेक्ट, राइट? व्हाट डिड शी से? She said that what she said? Yeah. If this continues, you will become servant of Kaushalya. मैं, मेरे बेटे servant of servant, मैं नहीं servant of servant, right? So therefore, that is a very important. That is what pricked her most. Because how can I? मतलब वो तो मेरी सहेली है. She is like my co-wife, whatever that. But she has a different mood. She said, I cannot be servant to her. भाई अगर ये होने वाला है तो let रामचंद्र को. ये नहीं हो सकता है. बेटा लोग servant of servant. So the point there was that it is not just enough to be concerned about the Krishna consciousness of our children. चाणक्य पंडित says that we have to first duty क्या है? कृपया अपने मुख पे मास्क लगाएं पहला. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू, इवन चैतन्य महाप्रभु सेड दैट. व्हाट डिड ही से? जन्म सार्थक करी कर पर उपकार. पहला अपना जन्म सार्थक करो, बाद में दूसरे को उपकार करने जाओ. बराबर है ना? इफ आई डोंट हैव अ लाइफ जैकेट देन समबडी विल बचाओ. चलो आ रहा हूँ ना मैं, धर्मेंद्र जैसा मैं डाइव मारा अंदर, मुझे निकालने के लिए 4 और आदमी चाहिए. करेक्ट? So there is no point, but I have to know swimming and I also know I have to know how to save other person when that other person is drowning. नहीं तो मैं भी गया उसको भी लेके डूबूंगा. बराबर है? So therefore we have to fly our own plane. That is very important. Please understand, life is short. Life is short. Life is short. और ये मैं किसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ? मैं खुद के लिए भी बोल के रहता हूँ. Every morning you wake up and say today I will wasted one more day. अच्छा रितु माता जी इसका अम्मा ठीक है, वेरी गुड. आपका सोफा गया लेकिन आज चलेगा ठीक है, लेकिन आपको फिर भी आगे बैठना पड़ेगा. इधर जगह है इधर।
माता जी की सेव
बहुत आगे नहीं,
क्यों?
क्वेश्चन पूछोगे ना।
मेरा तो रूल है, पीछे वाले को पहले पूछता हूँ मैं।
माता जी आज प्रभु ने पहले उधर एक माता जी को क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना आज।
So therefore life is short. So we have to take charge of our sadhana. So साधना बरकरार रखना है, लेकिन सिर्फ साधना करके no, साधना is should be done. That's the basic. Okay, but we have to do seva also. We have to take up some service regularly, for which we have to manage our time. At least अभी festivals में we have started. Yesterday our presence was good. I was very happy to see many of you serving there. So we have to take some service for the Vindham Center. So nobody is asking you to come till Albert Park. यहाँ से विंदम सेंटर कितना दूर है? 15 minutes drive. Okay. And sometimes our mind will say 15 minutes बहुत दूर है. 15 minutes driving distance. Which country have we come from? Anyone knows? Let's not forget. To go to college, I used to go 1.5 hours, and to job also 1.5 hours one way local train Mumbai वाला वो भी. Okay, चर्च गेट तक. It was horrible. Okay, things are only better now. 15 मिनट फर्स्ट क्लास एसी गाड़ी में जाना है, करेक्ट. एंड वो भी कौन सा रोड? अच्छा रोड है, ऐसा भी नहीं कोई ट्रैफिक वाला ऑटो, ट्रैफिक जैम, नो बैलगाड़ी चल रही है आगे, नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. हॉर्न भी नहीं बजता है. सो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट? डिजायर. द प्रॉब्लम इज डिजायर. व्हेन देयर इज डिजायर देयर विल बी अ प्लान. जब डिजायर ही नहीं है तो प्लान ही नहीं करेगा कोई, बोलेगा रहने तो चलता है. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ इफ वी डोंट डिजायर टू सर्व द लॉर्ड, हम भगवान को क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे? ही विल से दैट नाउ 2 साल यू हैव बीन एक्सपोज्ड टू कृष्णा भक्ति. नाउ द टाइम हैज कम दैट you have to do something for me. So then if we say no, I don't have time now, whenever my life is perfect, then, but Krishna is telling your life is never going to be perfect, because I have not designed this material world to be a perfect place. तो तुम्हारा क्या कुछ अलग होने वाला है इधर? This material world will continue to frustrate us. We think that by all our intelligence and material arrangements, अभी पूरा saving first class हो गया है, अभी property, अभी super annuation भी हो, everything. But life has a way of unsettling every rascal in this world. सबको पता है कृष्णा knows किसको कहाँ दबाना है, right? And उसको वहीं दबाएगा बराबर. To make us realize that, my dear child, take it seriously. This is not the place for you. वो बराबर करेगा. But why? क्यों थप्पड़ लेना है उनसे? Proactive. Let us be proactive, ना? ठीक है. So we have to do something very regularly. Even coming for Bhakti Vriksha program also has to be regular. Not that we rock up suddenly after some 10 weeks or something like that. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. We will not go anywhere. People who do that, you will see them 10 years before you have seen them in the temple. And अभी भी वहीं के वहीं हैं वो लोग. They never gone anywhere. उससे आगे आएंगे, बस बैठेंगे, कभी कभी आएंगे, हरे कृष्णा बोलेंगे. Everything will be externally very nice. But internally there is no depth आएगा ही नहीं, because nothing is being done regularly. Exercise का कब फल मिलता है? When you do it regularly or when you do it जब भी मन किया तब करते हैं exercise. When does it? Weight loss करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाँ, regularly करना पड़ेगा ना. So why do you think bhakti is different? Bhakti also has to be done regularly. So we have to establish routines, and for establishing routines, time management is very critical. And for having enough time, taking certain decisions in our life are also very important, because सबको 24 घंटा ही है. You cannot say आपका क्या है, आपको तो 30 hours है. No, मेरा भी 24 घंटा ही है, आपका भी 24 घंटा है, सबका 24 hours ही है. Everyone has 24 hours only in a day, right? So now we have to see what am I going to prioritize. We are not saying that don't go to office. No? We didn't say don't earn money. We didn't say don't play sport. We didn't say anything like that, right? But 16 rounds has to be done. Somehow our sadhana has to be done. Our daily hearing के लिए time रखना पड़ेगा. One lecture and some amount of reading every day. Some amount has to be done. So we will see. We will conclude our session on the principles of time management. Okay. And from next week onwards, then आज टाइम मैनेजमेंट का एक लेके जाएंगे. एंड उसके बाद इफ देयर आर एनी स्पेसिफिक इश्यूज स्पेसिफिक रिलेटेड टू योर पर्सनल स्ट्रगल्स, देन वी विल हैव पर्सनल 1-on-1 कॉन्वर्सेशंस ऑन दैट. ठीक है. We can meet somewhere. We can meet in the temple. We can meet in the theater. We can meet in my house. We can meet in your house. Whatever. I'll make myself available for discussing any personal struggles around साधना. लेकिन साधना उठना ही चाहिए. वो ऑप्शन नहीं है. If I give you an option, चलेगा. Where will you go? कौन है और कौन पूछने वाला है? कोई मतलब पूछेगा कोई, बट देन यू हैव टू गो टू सम अदर भक्ति परीक्षा प्रोग्राम एंड दैट पर्सन विल स्टिल आस्क यू द सेम थिंग. अदरवाइज बाहर कोई नहीं पूछने वाला है. इवन योर पेरेंट्स इन दिल्ली एंड मैसूर एंड बैंगलोर आर नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क यू हाउ इज योर साधना गोइंग. दे विल नॉट आस्क यू. दे विल टेल यू हाउ इज योर हेल्थ, जॉब ठीक चल रहा है, पोता ठीक है. दैट्स ऑल दे विल आस्क यू. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू हाउ आर यू, व्हाट इज योर जर्नी बैक टू गॉडहेड. हाउ सीरियसली आर यू प्लानिंग नाउ नॉट टू कम बैक इनटू दिस रॉटन मटेरियल वर्ल्ड. ये सवाल कोई पूछेगा नहीं. ये सवाल यहीं पे पूछा जाएगा. सो दिस इज योर ओनली अपॉर्चुनिटी. ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज ओनली अपॉर्चुनिटी. यहीं पे वो सवाल आएगा. वो सवाल से कभी कभी डिस्कम्फर्ट होगा. मन बोलेगा हु आर यू टू आस्क मी. तू कौन होता है पूछने वाला? क्या मैं नहीं जानता हूँ? ऐसा हो सकता है. ऐसा मन बोलेगा. ठीक है. बट वी आर नॉट आस्किंग आउट ऑफ एनी अथॉरिटी ओवर एनीबडी. We are only asking out of concern. That's all. There is no other business we have in coming to Altona Meadows. There is no other business than helping you all overcome those obstacles which we overcame when we were also struggling to come to the point of 16 rounds and coming to a steady practice. That's all. ये और कुछ भी नहीं है इधर. We are friends. That's all. इधर कोई ऊंच नीचा, कोई सीनियर जूनियर का कुछ नहीं है. Nobody has come here because they have some halo on their head or something like that. कोई enlightenment बुद्धा आ गया इधर. No. We all are normal human beings. सबका अपना struggles है. I have my own struggles also. But then I go to people. I also have some people who I consult. उनको मैं phone लगाता हूँ immediately. If I have some struggle, I talk to those people. Okay. So we have to always keep talking to people who are further, who have traveled that road, which we may not have traveled up until now. And that's how we will progress. And this has to be taken seriously. Everyone is okay with this? Okay. All right. Okay. So let's just recap the last. Everyone can see the slide. वहाँ से दिख रहा है क्या? I don't know. I have a feeling that this slide यहाँ से नहीं दिखेगा. और we may have to switch off the light. हाँ? अभी दिख रहा है? Yes. हाँ? Okay. Okay. So this is our growth asset. This is our growth. ISKCON में how do you keep growing? In an organization, how do you keep growing? You remember we discussed this? We start as a developer, then we become senior developer, then we become what is that? Technical architect, then senior technical architect. Then what happens? Whatever, project manager जो भी है, or whatever, principal consultant, managing consultant, whatever it become, and then industry expert, or you go in the managerial track. वैसा एक कैरियर होता है ना ऑफिस में सबका, वैसा ये कैरियर है स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ में. मतलब यू कैन सी द स्लाइड. आई थिंक आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपको कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. तो ये एंगल ही गलत है उसका. हाँ, पुटिंग इनटू ग्रुप. ओके. सो सी इट ऑन योर मशीन्स. हाँ, हर दिन बोलते हो? डेमो वर्जन है. डेमो वर्जन था क्या? Wife telling husband, thank you for putting it here. It can be only taunt.
No, Prabhu.
नहीं, आपका नहीं बोला, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बोला. When she says thank you means she is angry. कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है मेरे से. Thank you for no. ऐसा भी होता है. ठीक है. वैकुंठ में होता है ऐसा. भागवत में पढ़ा है मैंने. ठीक है. So we have now in the first box, which is the box gradually increasing or chanting from 1 to 16. सबका ये जंग है अभी. ये जंग हमको जीतना है. Okay. So today we are going to pass around some chits to all of you. You will have to write your name there. And you have to write the number of minimum rounds that you are chanting. Minimum. अगर एक दिन भी नहीं चैंटिंग कर रहे हो तो 0 लिखना. भले ही परसों आपने 108 राउंड चैंट किया होगा. लेकिन अगर कल नहीं किया है तो 0 डाल दीजिए वहां पे. बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट. आई वांट द मिनिमम दैट यू हैव कमिटेड इन योर लाइफ. I don't want the maximum. I don't want the average. I don't want the statistical range also. What is that? Q4 minus Q1. Okay? वो सब मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Statistics वाला. मुझे मिनिमम चाहिए, मतलब आर देयर डेज, हाँ कुछ दिन ऐसा होता है, लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा रह ही जाता है मेरा, वो है ना वो वाला, तो बड़ा गुल्ला डालना उधर, 0, ओके ठीक है, विच मीन 0. डू नॉट राइट 2 to 4 एंड ऑल दैट उधर, वो 2 to 4 का कुछ भी मतलब नहीं है मेरे को बोल के, 2 से 4 हो जाता है कभी, 2 या 4. 2 to 4 मीन्स व्हाट, आई टोल्ड यू 2 to 4 मीन्स व्हाट. जो 2 to 4 बोलता है उसका क्या रहता है मिनिमम? नो 0. 9-2-11 हो जाते हैं.
वो कैंसिल हो जाएगी,
हाँ?
जो किए वो कैंसिल हो जाएगी.
क्या कैंसर हो जाएगा?
99
नहीं, we want you all to establish routines in bhakti. Please now substitute it. Suppose someone says, okay, प्राणायाम करो सब लोग 10 मिनट के लिए मिनिमम, आपका ब्लड प्रेशर है 10 मिनट प्राणायाम करना ही होगा. Then do you negotiate? क्या हो, कल आधा घंटा प्राणायाम किया लेकिन लास्ट 3 दिन से हो ही नहीं रहा है. Will the exercise instructor accept? Very good. What is that? 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10 minutes on an average प्राणायाम. ऐसा बॉडी एक्सेप्ट करेगा? ऐसा नहीं, एवरेज लेता हूँ, बॉडी विल से. ब्लड प्रेशर तुझे नहीं होना चाहिए, एवरेज ले लेना ये टाइम पे. ऐसा होता है? नहीं होगा ऐसा. सो भक्ति में भी ऐसा नहीं होगा. वी विल हैव टू हैव कंसिस्टेंसी. श्रद्धा, साधु संगा, भजन क्रिया, अनर्थ निवृत्ति, देन निष्ठा. निष्ठा मीन्स कंसिस्टेंट. कब आएंगी लाइफ में? कब आएगा वो निष्ठा? कब? आफ्टर 1 year it is going to come? It will not come. It will not come. If we, what is that? If we fail to plan, what is it? If we fail to plan, then we plan to fail. तो हम लोग प्लानिंग ही नहीं करेंगे अपने लाइफ में टू बी एबल टू डू समथिंग मिनिमम फॉर कृष्णा. हे भगवान, देख भाई, मैं तेरे को बहुत मानती हूँ, लेकिन मैं कसम से बोल रहा हूँ मेरे पास 6 मिनट नहीं है तेरे लिए. हाउ रिडिकुलस इट साउंड्स. एनीवन नरेंद्र मोदी हियर हु हैज टू डील विद इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स? कोई भी नहीं है ना हम लोग में से नरेंद्र मोदी. क्या ऐसा काम है? What are we achieving in office or in our personal lives such that we don't have 6 minutes of time in 24 hours every day? ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? रियलिस्टिकली ऐसा है? कोई ऐसा बोल सकता है नहीं मेरा लाइफ अलग है? ऐसा बोल सकता है कोई? नहीं है ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज ऑल इनसाइड द माइंड. अगर करना है तो करेंगे, नहीं करना है तो कभी भी नहीं करेंगे. वी कैन नॉट वेक अप अ पर्सन हु इज नॉट asleep. जो सोया ही नहीं है उसको उठा सकते हो आप? जो जेन्युइनली सोया है उसी को उठा सकते हो ना. ऐसा उठेगा जो उसको कितना भी उठाओगे तो सो रहा हो यार बस. अच्छा, बिकॉज वी आर नेवर कमिंग फेस टू फेस विथ आवर रियलिटीज. वी हैव स्टिल गॉन, आवर माइंड हैज टेकन इनटू अ कंफर्ट जोन. तू बेचारा है, तू बेचारी है, तू दुखियारी है, तू अच्छी है, डिजायर है, मानती है कृष्ण को बहुत मानती है, बस मानते रहना. ये मन बोलेगा, वो मन को 1-4 थप्पड़ लगाने का, बोलेगा बंद कर अभी, लेट मी डू समथिंग प्रैक्टिकल. बिकॉज भक्ति इज प्रैक्टिकल. नहीं होगा. वी हैव टू टेक दैट बीड बैग इन आवर हैंड, वी हैव टू सिट एंड वी हैव टू बिकम रेगुलर विथ व्हाट? 1 round से 1 round is the most difficult. Again and again I'm saying 16 rounds कुछ भी नहीं है. 1 round is the most difficult in life because that is your first meeting with consistency. Hello consistency, how are you doing? That's our meeting. Consistency, hello, that is our first meeting. So 1 round is we have to. अभी 1 round अगर 2 साल के बाद नहीं हुआ तो there is a problem. After hearing so much philosophy, that means conviction नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. There is no, you are not convinced about the urgency of this. And in that case, happy to have conversation. Do you want more verses from Bhagavatam from us to make you realize that material world is a bad place? Do you want more conviction to know that कल कोई सुनहरा दिन उदय नहीं होने वाला है? कुछ नहीं होने वाला. कल सूरज वहीं उगेगा, वहीं अंदर जाएगा. द वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू बिकम अ टफर एंड टफर प्लेस, राइट? नथिंग इज गोइंग टू बिकम ईजियर टुमारो देन व्हाट इट इज टुडे. ओल्ड एज में आर्थराइटिस भी आएगा तो बीड भी नहीं कर पाएंगे हम लोग बराबर से, बिकॉज टाइप कर करके ये पूरा फिंगर जाएगा अपना, राइट? इवेंचुअली वी विल कम टू अ पॉइंट वेयर यू नो वी विल से अरे यार काश पहले किया होता, व्हेन एटलीस्ट माय हैंड्स एंड लेग्स वेर कोऑपरेटिंग. राइट. सो इट द टाइम इज नाउ इवन फॉर सेवा. जब तक हाथ पैर हिल रहा है तभी ही आप सेवा कर सकते हो. जब हाथ पैर नहीं हिल रहा है दूसरे लोग अपना सेवा करेंगे तभी. Correct. So this is the time. There is no other time in future. So let us take this very seriously. So in that sheet, if it's 0, put 0. No problem. Don't worry. This is not principle of a school. Okay. We want to help. We want to know अगर शुगर 10 पे बैठा हुआ है अभी तो we want to know शुगर 10 पे है because emergency है. फिर शुगर 10 पे बैठा हुआ है कभी भी आएगा cardiac arrest. Right. So we want to know. So please write 0 without any hesitation. That's why we said put it in a sheet right now. Right? We want to know. Put your name and put that minimum because we'll trust you. Krishna is asking you this. Put the minimum with full trust, faith. Put the truth over there. At least we will know. And then from there, of course, then we will start monitoring everyone's sadhana. You have two choices. You can say monitoring मेरे को program में नहीं आना है. वो choice आपका है. अभी मैं नहीं force करूँगा because now I am not going to mollycoddle anyone. Right? ठीक है? You cannot go to a military academy and say that बुरा लगा मेरे को उन्होंने बोला कदम तक बहुत बुरा लगा मुझे. ऐसा नहीं बात करना चाहिए है ना. चलेगा क्या मिलिट्री में ऐसा मैं आपसे रूठ गई जाओ मैं आपसे नहीं बोलती क्या है वो सवेरे सवेरे उठाते हो छी ऐसा होता है मिलिट्री में. वो बोले कुछ कर सकते हैं देश के लिए हम लोग कुछ नहीं करेंगे. Right? So everywhere you go, even office में you cannot say, बॉस मैं बहुत रूठ गई हूँ तुमसे, मैं जाओ मैं नहीं बोलती, मैं नहीं आऊँगी जाओ 3 दिन नहीं आती हूँ. बोलेगा मत आओ 3 दिन क्या परमानेंटली मत आना. Right? So therefore
रूठ गई का मतलब बताओ.
क्या होगा?
रूठ गई का मतलब
अच्छा क्या मतलब बताओ. Okay, so we are going to monitor sadhana. Okay, please allow us. हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. We are going to discuss. We are going to at least start discussing who has moved, and we are going to clap for everyone who is going higher and higher in the sadhana. We will clap. You have to proudly share with everyone. ये family है. Nobody will judge anyone. Okay, I'm assuming that. ऐसा कोई नहीं करेगा. None of us will judge anyone. ऐसा नहीं है. What? 1 round only. 16 में हूँ भाई. If we do that, what will happen? कृष्णा बोलेगा अच्छा चल ठीक है तेरे लाइफ में मैं ऐसा इंसिडेंट लेके आता हूँ कि तू नेक्स्ट 3 साल तक एक भी नहीं कर पाएगा. When pride comes, what happens? भगवान बराबर मारते हैं. वो प्राइड जो है ना जो सर ऐसा ऊंचा ऐसा एकदम ऐसा वो काटते हैं. कृष्णा इज नेवर एंग्री व्हेन वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू डू समथिंग. Krishna is upset only when we do something and we become proud of it, right? So, yeah, I know everyone knows that. Nobody is like that. I know. इतना तो faith है. Nobody will judge anyone. In fact, where Krishna will be pleased, is if for example, if one Mataji is here, let us say, one Mataji is there. Okay, I'm not going to point to anyone. One Mataji is there. She knows that another Mataji, she's able to do, let's say, 10 rounds. And another Mataji is doing 4 rounds. This Mataji who is doing 10 rounds should actually sit with the other person and say, because lady will understand ladies' problems. Correct? So you should sit and then mentor the other person to come up to 10. And you take mentoring from someone who is in वैसा growth होता है. That is exactly. So you become a mentor to someone and you take mentorship from someone. उससे क्या होगा? We will not become proud. हाँ मैं तो mentor हूँ. वो वाला नहीं आएगा because you are already taking mentoring under someone. At the same time, your compassion will be shown, your concern for somebody will be shown because you are taking responsibility of उनका दुख भरी कहानी आप सुन रहे हो ना बैठ के क्यों नहीं कर जा पा रहे आगे. So we have to mentor others and we have to also have a mentor. गुणाधिकान मूढ़म लिप्सेद अनुक्रोशम गुणाधमात मैत्रीन समनाद अन्विचन न तपैर अभिभूयते. दिस इज फ्रॉम श्रीमद् भागवतम. न तपैर अभिभूयते मतलब क्या है? तापत्रय. हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ तापत्रय? आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द एसएसआर अर्लियर डेज. व्हाट आर द सेवन प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ लाइफ? बर्थ, डिसीज, ओल्ड एज, डेथ. तो सबको पता है. 3 और क्या है? और आध्यात्मिक क्लेश, आदि भौतिक और आदि दैविक. आध्यात्मिक मीन्स व्हाट? मिजरी इज कॉज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ
Our own mind.
one's own mind. Adi bhautik means misery is caused by others, like boss on a Monday morning. Right? And Adi Daivik means natural disasters. Barabar? These three are called as what? Tapatraya. Now, this verse in Srimad Bhagavatam tells us how to overcome this Tapatraya. Na tapair, वो Tapatraya जो है ना, वो नहीं आएगा वो. Na tapair abhibhuyate. How? जो गुण से हमारे से अधिक हैं, गुणाधिकान मूढ़म लिप्सेत, जो अधिक गुण है जिसका, means who are senior, then what happens? We serve them, right? We take instructions and we serve, right? Then people who are equal to us, उनके साथ क्या करते हैं हम लोग? मैत्री. मैत्री का मतलब क्या है? हिंदी में सहेली बोलते हैं उसको, सिंपल लैंग्वेज, फ्रेंडशिप, राइट? सो दैट इज द फ्रेंडशिप व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. कल्टिवेट फ्रेंडशिप अमंगस्ट योरसेल्फ. द सेंटर ऑफ दैट फ्रेंडशिप विल बी व्हाट? कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस. नॉट दैट आप भी हैरेट जाते हो शॉपिंग को, मैं भी उधर ही जाती हूँ, मेरी मायर, अरे आपको मायर अच्छा लगता है. नो, नॉट दैट बेसिस. वो बेसिस में ना वांदा होता ही है लाइफ में. गुजराती विषय वांदा वचकड़ा, माँ फंसी गए हो, राइट? वो कभी ना कभी तो वांदा में फंसता है आदमी उधर, ठीक है? तो वो वाला नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है? द सेंटर ऑफ योर फ्रेंडशिप मस्ट बी व्हाट? कृष्णा. उनको बीच में रखिए एंड हेल्प ईच अदर. Alone I cannot do, because if there are 80 people in room, कितना लोगों को हम कर पाएंगे? You all help each other, and if there is anything that has to, you want our intervention, I promise you I will be available. मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलूँगा कि नहीं मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ, नहीं मिलेगा टाइम, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है? We will make ourselves available. Yamuna Leela is there, my wife is there, you all can discuss with her. मैं हूँ, ठीक है? So and I would strongly encourage you to discuss with her, because lady will understand ladies' issues better than what I may understand. So you all discuss your sadhana with her. आप लोग can, I'm folded hands. Please discuss. Okay, जो भी है, ठीक है? So we are now struggling with that. So we have to come to the point of 16, and then coming to the stage of following 4 regulative principles consistently. Okay? No meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit sex, no gambling. Right? 100% nobody is gambling here, वो पता है मेरे को. 100% I'm pretty sure that nobody, I think people are given up meat or whatever. वो भी मुझे fair इतना confidence है, right? Intoxication, I don't think anybody is, झूम कोई घूम के तो नहीं आ रहा क्लास में. कहाँ बैठूं? वो भी नहीं हो रहा है, कोई झूम के नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है? Okay, and I think everybody is having a very nice, affectionate, chaste relationships also. वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो ये चारों इजी है. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आते हैं? लोचा कहाँ मारता है? टी कॉफी में. ठीक है, तो वो उधर प्रॉब्लम होता है. लाइफ इज नॉट वर्थ लिविंग. चाह पाहिजे. चाय के बगैर जीना नहीं. हाँ, वो गौरंग प्रभु बोलते हैं ना, वो स्विंडलर्स में, सर्वस्य चाहम हृदि सन्निविष्टो. स्टोव में बनाया हुआ चाय. सो ऐसा, सो चाय, सो दिस इज अ स्ट्रगल. ओके, सो माता जी, प्लीज कंसल्ट माय वाइफ. यू ऑल कैन, आई एम आल्सो हैप्पी टू आंसर दीस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो चाय, टी, कॉफी, प्रे टू द लॉर्ड. सब्स्टिट्यूट्स आर देयर. ओके, यू कैन नोट डाउन प्लीज. आज आप ना नोट ही बना लो. ओके, व्हाट इज द सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर टी? There is something called as Rooibos. Go ahead, African tea. फर्स्ट क्लास. उसमें चाय मसाला डालना, अदरक मार के फर्स्ट क्लास. ओके, धीरे पहला 3 दिन सर दर्द होगा, तलब लगेगा. ओके, यू विल फील, व्हाट इज दैट इन शिक्षाष्टकम? देयर शून्यहितं जगत सर्वम गोविंद विरहेण. यू विल फील द होल वर्ल्ड एज अ वॉइड विदाउट टी बॉटल. राइट? किसी चीज का मतलब ही नहीं लगेगा ना. बोलते ना बेबी, ना बच्चा, ना बाप बड़ा, ना मैं. होल थिंग इज सबसे बड़ा चाय. वैसा ही लगेगा. Have we not gone through that stage? Yes, we have gone through that stage. I come from Mumbai. Chai and vada pav. There is no. I have grown up on that, right? So, and then coffee.
South Indian का coffee.
Coffee. And I am South Indian. पूरा तमिल वाला हूँ मैं. Iyer, right? So proper South Indian. मेरा माँ ने बचपन से कॉफी में ही बड़ा किया है. Okay. I'll tell you seriously, when my wife used to come to my house before our marriage ना, आती थी ना, तो she used to tell मम्मी को बोलना मेरे लिए कॉफी, मम्मी मेरे लिए कॉफी बना के रखना, even before marriage. Okay. कॉफी से शुरुआत करेगी मेरा घर पे आके, पहला उसको कॉफी चाहिए. Okay. So ask her. So that is why I requested all of you to study Leelamrit. You all study or no? Lilamrit. Anyone knows what is Lilamrit? भूल गए. Lilamrit is Prabhupada's life story. Please take a book of Lilamrit. If you don't have, if you want, I'll bring some copies from the temple. But Prabhupada का Lilamrit पढ़ना. It's time we started studying Prabhupada's life story. वो पढ़ के ही my wife gave up coffee. Otherwise we would be fighting even today over coffee and tea. वो एक बुक उन्होंने पढ़ा और मुझे कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा उसके बाद, right? So she gave up coffee. So it's not difficult. And coffee का substitute क्या है? Caro. There is something called as CARO, Caro. ठीक है? और there is something called as Nature's Kappa. ये सब कॉफी में आपको कॉफी से दूर ले जाएगा eventually, okay? Because you can't offer coffee to the Lord, right? You can't offer tea to the Lord, right? So ये दोनों मुश्किल है. You will have to make a plan somehow or the other. अभी solution दिया है भगवान ने. अभी now you can tell Krishna to hell with you.
प्रभु इनका टेस्ट ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर ही आता है, बिल्कुल कॉफी की तरह ही होता है यारों का. काफी सिमिलर.
In fact, what I do is डीकैफ कॉफी भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर शुरुआत में अगर 2 स्टेज में छलांग मारना है तो फिर पहला डीकैफ, फिर उसके बाद कैरो. गो, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम टेलिंग यू द स्टेज फ्रॉम कैफिनेटेड कॉफी टू डीकैफ. डोंट यू थिंक कृष्णा विल अप्रिशिएट इट? कृष्णा बोले डीकैफ कॉफी लिया तू, ऐसा थोड़ी बोलेंगे वो रिपब्लिका वाला कोल्स में. नो, he is not that person like boss. He will say I told you to achieve 25% sales target, 23 लेके आया तू, छी. He will not. He'll say अच्छा मेरे लिए you love me, you did 23 for me. That's what he will say. He will not say why you didn't do the 2, right? But we should do the 23. Don't think that we will not even give up and Krishna will appreciate it. अच्छा वो दारू नहीं पिया तू, you know. So Krishna cannot be tricked like that. Okay? So we will have to go slowly. He will see what baby steps we are taking. So baby steps ले लो. And one way of doing it is what? If you have a coffee addiction every day, then take coffee every alternate day. वहां से तो शुरू कर सकते हैं. एक दिन कॉफी, एक दिन कैरो, एक दिन कॉफी, एक दिन कैरो, वैसा. फिर धीरे धीरे वैसा करके छोड़ते जाना. या पहला 2 दिन कॉफी, 2 दिन कैरो, वैसा कीजिए. So do something about it. Do make your own personal plan for it. अभी हर एक चीज we cannot discuss in the class, correct? But if you still have a problem, we can discuss outside the class. But we have to make this plan to come out of these 2. Next thing is what? Difficult. Garlic फिर भी छोड़ सकती हूँ. ऑनियन क्या खाऊंगी मैं? क्या बचा है? मोहम्मद रफी बोलते ना, क्या रखा है इस जिंदगी में, राइट? तो ऑनियन इज अनदर बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस. नाउ हाउ टू, आई एम नॉट अ बिग, मेरा किचन और मेरा संबंध नहीं है ज़्यादा, सो आई एम नॉट द राइट पर्सन, बट माई वाइफ कैन टेल यू एंड सुबुद्धि माता जी कैन टेल यू, एनी ऑफ दिस डिवोटीज कैन टेल यू हाउ टू कुक विदाउट ऑनियन एंड स्टिल मेक इट टेस्टी. आज तक यहाँ का प्रसादम अच्छा लगा है या सब लोग भाग गए? क्या है, ऑनियन भी नहीं है, गार्लिक भी नहीं है, ऐसा हुआ है क्या कभी यहाँ पे? वाई डू यू थिंक देन प्रसादम कैन नॉट बी टेस्टी? कृष्णा विल मेक इट टेस्टी. Taste, Krishna says, I am the taste in food, he says. Trust it. भगवत गीता में बोला है. If you offer it to the Lord, आपका तलब निकाल देंगे permanently. Then you will be able to offer everything and come to that platform. We cannot say, नहीं मैं अभी नहीं आऊँगी, अभी नहीं आऊँगा. पहला मौत आ गया तो उसके पहले करेक्ट. भगवान करे ना आए, कुछ भी हो सकता है लाइफ में. सो डू नॉट पोस्टपोन इट, डू नॉट पोस्टपोन दीज थिंग्स. ओके, सो 16 राउंड्स एंड 4 रेगुलेटरी प्रिंसिपल्स है. पट जल्दी आना है. फ्रॉम नाउ यू हैव टू हैव अ टाइम फ्रेम बाय व्हेन. टुडे वी विल नॉट आस्क यू इन द चिट, टुडे वी आर ओनली आस्किंग यू मिनिमम, बट इन योर माइंड थिंक थ्रू दैट इन 3 months from now, somebody may say 3 months, somebody will say even 1 month, or somebody will say in 6 months from now I will come to 16 rounds. You go ahead and tell Krishna, मेरे को कुछ भी करके मैं आना है, मेरे को हेल्प करो. एटलीस्ट गो एंड प्रे टुडे इन फ्रंट ऑफ द लॉर्ड कि मुझे आना है. उतना तो डिजायर तो व्यक्त कर सकते हो ना, मुझे आना है. यहाँ भगवान खड़े हैं यहाँ पे. यू कैन टेल हिम आई वांट टू कम टू द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ 16 राउंड्स. व्हाई 16 राउंड्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट? टेल मी. हाँ,
that much we breathe every day.
नहीं ब्रीथ नहीं, 16 राउंड्स क्यों जरूरी है आना? Because without 16 rounds you are not going to get a guru. You can't take shelter of a spiritual master in ISKCON. In our sampradaya नहीं होने वाला है, नहीं होगा. Then you will have to go down like गौरंग प्रभु says ना, ओरिजिनल नहीं मिला तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? Xerox. Then you will have to go somewhere else to some sampradaya who will say chanting सब जरूरत नहीं है, चलता है. and they will dilute the whole principle and they will tell you that no, I am giving you initiation. Then what have you done? You know better. And what is the support system you will get there? You know it. If you get it, by all means go wherever. But यहाँ अगर progress करना है, if you believe, if you have faith in what Prabhupada's teachings, if you have faith in the teachings of Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, then our faith will be known in the decisions we take. Right? So take those decisions now. अभी वो निर्णय लेना है. मैं last time also I said, you have to decide where you are studying. You cannot say मैं IIT कानपुर में एक दिन जाऊँगा, फिर REC इलाहाबाद में एक दिन जाऊँगा. ऐसा कोई होता है इंजीनियरिंग? नहीं, you have to decide. Okay, I am going here or I am going there. Decide your sampradaya. Okay, we have exposed you to all the facts around sampradayas, everything. You decide your sampradaya and now start progressing within that sampradaya. Also, please understand. Again, I am not advertising, but outside of ISKCON मैं भी जाने को देखा. Okay, I also tried outside of ISKCON. मुझे भी लगा 16 राउंड नहीं होगा यार मेरे से. बहुत रोया मैं उस दिन. But बाहर क्या है? कुछ नहीं. कुछ नहीं है बाहर. Right? Even if you go to a genuine sampradaya, in any sampradaya you will have at least one thing by which you will have to go outside your comfort zone. You will have at least one thing by which you have to go outside your comfort zone. So why not the sampradaya, right? So take the sampradaya and let's progress towards shelter of Guru. Without 16 rounds and 4 regulatory principles, we cannot recommend you to any spiritual master. Number 2. So make a plan. Put a date-based plan now. Without a date, nothing will happen in life. Next week, if you come without thinking over this date, trust me, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, everyone okay? At least you think through it. अपने आप डायरी अपने डायरी में लिखो. किसी को मत बताना. Keep it with you only. Okay. उसके बाद क्या है? Following एकादशी व्रत. Okay. Once in 15 days, we should have some control. That आज no grains and beans. If Ekadashi, these are the questions you will be asked before you take shelter of a spiritual master in ISKCON. Are you following Ekadashi Vrat? You can only put 2 things. You cannot say sometimes, maybe, none of these. वो वाला option नहीं है. Okay, Melbourne High School वाला option. None of these. वो option नहीं है. There is only 2 options. Yes or no. There is no sometimes. Or no, whenever possible. वो ऐसा सब options नहीं मिलेगा उधर. Yes or no. Black and white. So we have to come to the platform. At least 15 days में one day, and it's good for health also anyway, right? Even if you go to a gym or somebody, a dietitian, they will also tell you one day stay away from certain things in your life, right? Do intermittent fasting. कुछ तो बोलेंगे ना वो लोग. So that is the next stage. उसके बाद क्या है? All of us have to now इसको बहुत seriously लेना पड़ेगा. We have to set up a whole home altar. This will show your commitment to the sampradaya. There has to be Prabhupada on your altar, right? I am going to start slowly. In fact, we discussed it in the last, because I am part of the education board also of the temple. Gopal Rajesh Prabhu and myself, we discussed just last week, and we are the ones who are taking decisions on education in ISKCON. For Melbourne Mahaprabhu Mandir. So we discussed that in every Bhakti Vriksha, we have not told other Bhakti Vriksha leaders right now. We will communicate that eventually. But every Bhakti Vriksha will be asked to train people on Leelamrit systematically. Thoda Prabhupada Katha will start happening now. We will take snippets from Prabhupada's lifetime and we will. So we are going to. Abhi Delhi dur hai. We have just kind of baseline that as a strategy for our temple president's recommendation. We have just kind of a prasthav rakha hai hum logon ne, right? Because abhi nahi hoga to kabhi nahi hoga, right? So. But nothing stops you from studying Leelamrit on your own. Just buy the book and start studying a sant ka life story. Read the life story of a saint, of a genuine saint, of a pure devotee of the Lord, right? And you will be inspired to set up a altar at home, right? In fact, we will show you a video. Abhi aage jaake we'll be showing intermediate videos to you on Prabhupada, okay, about his struggle, right? So we have to know who are we talking about? Who under whose shelter all of us are? वो personality के बारे में हम लोग इतना जानते नहीं हैं आज तक, right? And that's partly my fault, okay? But now obviously, no, I also know I have to correct. जब से मुझे भी अक्ल आया तब से शुरू करूँगा. So I will, slowly we will expose you to more and more to Prabhupada. Once you have that altar compliant with the sampradaya, then what happens? Then you start offering every day through Prabhupada to Krishna. Only then it becomes prasadam. Directly if I go, Bhagavan लेना केक, क्या यार भाव खा रहा है, ऐसा it doesn't work like that, right? You will have to go through what? There is a process by which you do. So we tell Krishna, I'm not qualified to offer you anything, but Prabhupada, I'm offering you, Prabhupada, please, you honor it and you take it up, and then through you I'll get it back from Krishna. That's how it operates, prasadam. Actually वैसा होता है. Okay, for that you have to have an altar. Altar के बगैर there is no prasadam in our house. We may think there is prasadam, but then it's not prasadam. Guru Ashray, once you reach 16 rounds, to come, then finally to get us to take shelter, Ashray, not initiation, shelter. Shelter is the probation period. Even to come to the stage of probation period with a spiritual master, there will be certain courses that we will all do. There are certain milestones that you have to pass. Today I will not go into the details of that. Okay, वो बाद में देखेंगे. But at least till here, let's only talk about the first 4 boxes. First 4 boxes में ध्यान रखना. Don't take your eyes off this. So put a date-based plan for this. Okay, first 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. आगे का बाद में देखेंगे. After a few weeks we will revisit that. Okay. Okay. Who is monitoring the ये? वो वाला next slide I want. Thank you. Okay. So we also discussed why of time management, right? Why to do time management? Because we have to create enough time to attend Bhakti Vriksha regularly. We have to be regular in this program, for which time management is required. Second, we have to have enough time to chant our 16 rounds daily, or at least abhi to 1 round daily, okay, or 2 rounds daily, wherever you are. We have to create time for that. We have to create enough time daily, थोड़ा सा भगवद गीता और श्रीमद् भागवत. अभी तो श्रीमद् भागवत में नहीं बना, एटलीस्ट भगवद गीता और any of Prabhupada's books, छोटा books. Read something every day. Then after that, systematic study of scriptures, which all of you will be entering, right, into this study. Like in a school, they take accelerated program. What is that called as? यहाँ पे. What challenge is that? Oh, देते हैं ना एक challenge स्कूल में. What is that called? Your child is in the challenge. NAPLAN का कोई स्टैंडर्ड ही नहीं है. हाँ, seal and then उसके और एक भी बोलते हैं. Forgot that. No. They give extra challenge to student and that's extension program. So ये जो है study the scripture systematically. Okay, these all our own Bhakti Vriksha. Okay, we will hopefully one day we will all dive deep into Bhagavad Gita study, right? Very deep into Bhagavad Gita study and then Srimad Bhagavatam. Lifelong यही करना है अभी हमको मरने तक. This is our foremost duty. If you think your foremost duty is going to Docklands and earning money, that means we have failed to communicate what is the purpose of life. If you think no, सिर्फ पैसे कमाना है, बच्चों को देखना है, अच्छा घर छोड़ के जाना है उनके लिए, क्या पता क्या होगा ना आगे जाके. हम जो छोड़ के जाएंगे वो हमारा बच्चा ही एंजॉय करेगा या कोई और एंजॉय करेगा who we don't even know, how do we know? There is no guarantee, right, of anything. So we have to take care of ourselves. So we have to become little bit selfish when it comes to spiritual matters. Little bit selfishness is required, right? We cannot sacrifice our spiritual life for doing something else, because that will not be called as selflessness. That will be called as irresponsible. We will think it is selflessness. Selflessness कब होगा? When we have taken care of ourselves and now we are taking care of others without any expectation. Then that is selflessness. Not failing to do our own sadhana is not selflessness. So we have to eventually come to that platform and then take up regular services for the temple or Western Suburb Bhakti Center. Okay. So last time we discussed quite a bit about it. So please regularly कुछ ना कुछ लीजिए. Now today I want to announce something and you can come to me during the prasadam, whoever is interested. How many of you, okay, you can raise your hand if you want to. ऐसा नहीं, if you don't raise your hand, I'm not going to mistake. But how many of you have a desire to have someone who is very advanced spiritually and to have some personal connection with a very advanced devotee? Now I'm giving you the second information. It's a lady. A very advanced, a lady who is extremely advanced in Krishna consciousness. who can be a very good mentor for you spiritually. How many of you have a desire? सच्चा ऐसा कोई होना चाहिए. Lady. Okay. हाथ उठाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गुरु माता है. गुरु माता की बात चल रही है. बराबर है. It's okay. Now, I'm going to tell you who I'm talking about. I met her just yesterday. Day before we met, no? Day before yesterday, we had a half an hour, 40-minute, one-on-one with her. Her name is Jagattarani Mataji. Okay? Anyone has heard of her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
She was the one who gave a seminar in the farm. So we were discussing. So, Jagattarani Mataji is one of the most realized persons that you can see on this planet. Seriously. One of the most realized persons, and she will understand you as a lady. She will understand you. Trust me on that. मैं हाथ जोड़ के I'm telling you, please put your faith in whatever I'm saying. You don't have to. हो सके तो भरोसा करना. You can, and she is brilliant. When she gives you suggestions, she doesn't talk any nonsense. She will not give you something which you will not do. In fact, when you speak to her, you will realize that आपने समझा मुझे. You will get that feeling. Everyone is looking for that person in your life as a mentor, right? She will understand you. Now, how do we get close to such saintly persons? We can go and say, we can ask now whoever is Sri Chaitanya Prabhu, who is managing her time here, you can go and seek an appointment. But, you know how many people want appointment? Thousands of people. Now, how will she ration? You tell me, all of you, I am asking a question. If 1,000 people want to meet you, what will you base your time on? किसको आप appointment दोगे? बोलिए. Tell me the truth, huh? You don't know who to give higher priority to. You don't know कौन कितने पानी में है. Okay. For that itself, you have to listen to them, right? But then you don't know anything, but you have to give appointments. Now, what will you base on? बोलिए.
Whoever comes first.
First come first serve में हो appointment दोगे आप? What if 10 लोग क्यों में खड़े हैं?
Without appointment.
What is one thing when you like to give an appointment to someone?
The person is well disposed.
When we know that.
When you have a relationship with that person. Relationship होता है तो appointment हो जाता है ना? अरे अलका तेरे लिए टाइम नहीं दूंगी क्या मैं? अलका is a fictional character. I'm just looking at the sky and discussing. ये पीछे देख इधर अलका आ गई. Okay, I'm just throwing a name, right? अलका के लिए दीप्ति के लिए तो हमेशा टाइम है यार. क्या दीप्ति तू ऐसे सब फॉर्मेलिटी रखती है अपने पास? क्या है अच्छी? But somebody calls you. Excuse me, I'm Manthara calling. I'm just inventing a name now. I'm staying in Dandenong with my husband. I want to talk to you. And you have 50,000 things to do. You may not say, Manthara आ जाइए immediate. You may not tell, ना? You will say, कौन हो भाई आप? ना जान ना पहचान, right? And then you may want to also do, but your 24 hours में आप कैसे बैठाओगे? Because you have Deepti and Alka, ना? Thousands of Deeptis and Alkas who you have strong relationship with, who are serving you day in and day out. उसको टाइम नहीं दोगे आप पहला. अगर आपका कोई सेवा कर रहा है और वो प्रॉब्लम में है और आप किसी को जानते नहीं हो तो किसको आप फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दोगे? Let's talk reality. The one who is done so much, you feel indebted to that person. इतना सेवा किया, I want to do something for this person. So you will extend yourself. That is why it's important that संतों का सेवा करना चाहिए. We have to start building relationship with very, very advanced devotees, both for Prabhuji as well as Mataji. We have to identify someone who we will serve, right? And there itself you will find your guru eventually. So, okay, now where am I coming to? I was talking to Jagattarani Mataji. In fact, her lectures in the retreat were brilliant. Okay, and उसके बाद जो क्लास दिया उन्होंने, she gave 2 Bhagavatam classes. Here the first one, some of the questions that she answered, it was just mind-boggling. Okay, so much of realization, right? So I asked her, Mataji, why don't you write?
Yes.
I took my बोल दिया उनको statement, because I want to read her books if she writes, because she's got so much depth in whatever she speaks that when she tells 2-3 sentences, मतलब काफी चीज clear हो जाता है life में, ऐसा है, because that is called realization by sadhana, right? Her love for Vrindavan. She carries Vrindavan within her heart 24 hours. You know what her disciples told me? I mean, I was waiting for my appointment. Somebody else was inside. her disciple was telling me that if she finds a dry leaf on the road, ना एक पत्ता जो सूख के पड़ा हुआ है नीचे, she immediately takes that and she starts writing there Krishna, Jai Vrindavan. This is very advanced consciousness, right? Where person is completely immersed, always painting, writing Radhe Radhe, Jai Krishna, Vrindavan. ऐसे ही कुछ ना कुछ करते थे, painting, she will paint Krishna, and she's been doing it for umpteen years. ऐसा नहीं अभी शुरू किया है. So I asked her, Mataji, your lectures are so good, why don't you write? You remember I asked her, why don't you, have you considered writing? I can't say why don't you write a book. That's an instruction I'm giving her, or suggestion. I said, have you considered writing? Because it will benefit all of us if you write. She said that yes, but I don't have time to write. I can speak. So therefore, I boldly told her, because I have a lot of faith in our Altona Meadows program. मुझे पता है कोई ना, some of us will take this. If we can transcript whatever she speaks, and then that can become a book, that service, Krishna will remember you for that contribution. Obviously your name will also go in that book. तो मतलब आपने एक संत के लिए कुछ तो किया लाइफ में, और वो बहुत बड़ा चीज होता है. That will save us from the greatest danger in our life. वैसे ही हम लोग बैक टू गॉड, अपना नंबर आ जाएगा उसमें, right? So therefore I remember many years back I was doing transcription services for some Maharaj, okay, who doesn't come to Melbourne, but he is in Mumbai. So I was doing for that personality, right? And it gave me immense satisfaction. And then I realized after some time, that the rate at which I had to, because that personality, he is very global personality, right? So the rate at which it was not enough for me. So we built a team. And then as a team, we started transcribing, so that I don't become the critical path or the bottleneck in that. You need something? Gaurangi, you want something? So that I don't become the bottleneck. So we formed a team. So now I am asking, how many of you, and Prabhuji can also volunteer this for her. She right now she is not initiating. Her husband is initiating. Bhurijan Prabhu. He is an initiating spiritual master, but she is Guru Mata, right? Tomorrow she may also become initiating spiritual, because ISKCON may. Right now, after a lot of consideration, even Mataji is also, actually ladies, men, we are all spirit souls, right? Matajis can also become spiritual master. But generally क्या होता है, Vedically, the wife of the spiritual master is also a spiritual master. She is called as Guru Mata, like that. So if you all want, if this makes sense to you, whatever I said, if you want to put up your hand, she said that they can. Then I will take your names to her, and then you can start an ongoing relationship of service with her, and then you will realize उसका फायदा आपको बहुत मिलेगा. Yes.
Yamuna Leela Mataji needs her tablets.
Oh yeah.
Does he know where they're?
Yes, they are here.
No, just.
Don't drop it. Huh? Every tablet is important. Thank you. What was I saying? I've lost my thoughts. Yeah. Anyone wants to volunteer? You can come and. Huh?
You were saying about the Guru Mataji.
About Guru Mata. Anyone wants to volunteer. And you know what? When you do this service, you will have to hear every word attentively. And you can imagine, what are you actually doing? Do you know what this is called as? This is called as preaching. You know why it's called preaching? Because whatever you have done, rest of mankind will read it. And कितने लोगों का उद्धार होगा उससे. This service cannot be underestimated. You will not know. आपका वजह से कितने लोग भक्त बनेंगे आगे हिस्ट्री में for generations to come. This is a big service, right? And it's a very responsible service, because you cannot misrepresent whatever she said. So you have to be very careful to script it as it is the way she has spoken. So धीरे धीरे and all of us are there in our program. तो हमको कुछ बड़ा नहीं करना है. हमको क्या करना है? Okay, today if we decide, how many people are there in this room? Let's say 80 people are there in this room. 80 lectures can be transcribed with one person only transcribing one lecture. एक lecture एक जीवन में transcribe करने में क्या जाएगा अपना? Correct, no? And then you will get your second, you will get your third. जितना टाइम कर सकते हो कीजिए. We will spread this message across other Bhakti Vrikshas also. ऐसा नहीं कि अपने ही Bhakti Vriksha में. So we want to put together something, because she has now when a person tells this, that means that's an indication that okay, I'm open to accept this kind of a service, right? So if this excites you, and then by that क्या होगा, फिर relationship बनेगा उनके साथ, because she will definitely call you and say thank you very much for doing the service. Were you the one who was doing it behind for me, ऐसा करके. And वो जो connection जब बनेगा उसके बाद then that accessibility to that personality also comes. She will know your name, then you can type things to her. She will, you can expect that she will respond to you, right? Because there is a relationship आ गया ना अभी. हर एक Gmail को तो you will not respond, no? Right? If some Tom from Hungary writes to me, please call me urgently. नहीं भाई Tom Hungary से, right? But if you have had the relationship, then she will know. अच्छा ये phone कर रही है अच्छा. You will become that Alka or Deepti for her. Does that make sense? Yeah. Or whatever, Raju. Okay, so you can talk to me if you like this. Whoever think about it. Maybe if you want to take 2-3 days time, एक lecture translate. It's not a big decision to take, but still think through it. Come back to us and let us know. Then I will, and if we can do it before she leaves Melbourne, okay, then at least then with those names I can tell her that so many people have volunteered. Obviously, you should have good hearing. You should be able to hear the lecture and transcribe without spelling mistakes. Not that कोई और spell check करने के लिए एक और servant चाहिए. No. Okay. So it has to be a pakka job. It's a responsible job for Krishna. When you're cooking, how carefully you cook for Krishna. This is a service for Krishna. So you have to do it very meticulously. Okay. All right. So that is all about taking services. And then obviously, eventually, all of us have to come to the platform of starting our own Bhakti Vriksha program. अभी तो दिल्ली दूर है, but it will come. बहुत दूर नहीं है दिल्ली. It may be probably 2 years from now. That's all. But all of you, I promise you, if you come regularly for this program, all of you will be equipped to go ahead and become Shiksha Gurus in your own right. You will then deliver. ये सबब में लोग, today only I was discussing with somebody who was asking me in the morning. Mathura Mahaprabhu, one of our board members, who is the senior most disciple of Jayapataka Swami Maharaj today. His Vyas Puja was going on today, and after that time I was having lunch with him. So he was asking me about have you done a heat map of Bhakti Vrikshas कहाँ नहीं हो रहे हैं इस वक्त. So yes, we have done that. Our heat map shows that western suburbs में lots of programs are running. Okay, that we have achieved. Southeastern suburbs में also we have a presence. But in the east, we have some limited presence. We are starting now in the east because they started a Bhakti center now. But in the northeast and in the north, कुछ भी नहीं है ज़्यादा. So I'm thinking that ये program से I'm seeing people who will travel. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है. क्या है वो SL World में रहूँगा नहीं, मैं घर नहीं जाऊँगा. What is that ad? You know that ad? Yeah. Okay, I thought I am the only one who heard all this, right? So it's not that Port Melbourne में रहूँगा मैं, Altona Meadows नहीं जाऊँगा मैं. No, we have to go outside our comfort zone to go and meet people. So tomorrow, somebody from this room will be responsible for Kregiband suburb, right? On the surrounding suburbs. So जो भी है उधर, I don't know what that suburbs are. Okay. So tomorrow you may be the people doing. In fact, I was doing a program in the northern suburbs many years back. Anirudh Prabhu told me. But those people who came out of that program, they also started in northern suburbs. But they have now started in some other suburb. Okay, तो north में नहीं हो रहा है अभी कुछ. तो north में void है अभी, right? So we have to do that. So that is the final thing. That start your own Bhakti Vriksha and help, directly, in the preaching moment. And then whatever I am talking to them, to you all will be talking to them. That is how organically this movement will spread. That is why it is called as Bhakti Vriksha. वृक्ष कैसा होता है? एक आता है, उसमें से एक ब्रांच आता है, उसमें से एक ब्रांच, उसमें से एक ब्रांच, उसमें से एक ब्रांच. That's how this is called as exponential growth. Exponential growth means which happens from within, like that. एक के दो, दो के चार, चार का आठ, like that. Okay, चार का 16. Right? That's how it will happen. All right. Now coming to the last slide. Time क्या हुआ है प्रभु जी?
8:30.
Thank God. Okay. Now, time management, some of the key principles. Okay. Now you can take a photo of this. Okay. If you can't note it down, we'll give you this slide actually. Okay. What's the first one? Who wants to read? Now, it doesn't mean that because I'm telling you I have perfected this art. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. These are all lessons which I have learned, which I'm passing on. I'm only an instrument. ठीक है? I'm not a Buddha that I'm telling everyone. Yeah, but these are the things which I have learned from senior devotees. Okay, I am myself also trying to struggle to balance all these things in my life. But unless we know the ideal, हम लोग करेंगे क्या? What is the first one? Who wants to read? Okay, go ahead.
Health.
जोर से.
Health. Health is wealth. wealth is lost when health is lost.
Okay.
Diet,
And उसका क्या हेल्थ के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
diet, exercise, meditation, therapy, counseling.
Everyone agrees? These are all aspects of health. What we eat, how much we eat, when we eat, all this constitutes diet. Why diet is important, and I am realizing it. I am realizing it now. My struggle is here. My own struggle is here with diet. Okay, I tend to eat too late in the night, even when prasadam is, especially when it is tasty. ठीक है, टंग है क्या मानता नहीं. ठीक है. So what happens is, earlier, for many years my wife and I had this discipline. 7:30 के बाद खाने. Actually we followed that for many years. You know why? Because we used to run for our classes to the temple. Every Monday and Tuesday we were doing this course called as Bhakti Vaibhav. I'm talking about 10 years back or more than that. So, and Bhakti Vedanta. So those days this Zoom was not there. ये Zoom COVID के बाद ज़्यादा आया ना. So we didn't have this Zoom and all that. So we used to go to the temple. So we know that खाना खा के भागेंगे. So we used to have 7:20 we used to sit for prasadam. 7:30 तक prasadam over, या 7:15, 7:30 तक prasadam is over. Go to the temple. Traveling time 2-3 minutes. And barabar, 7:35, Kirtan will start in the temple, and our Keshav Prabhu, who is my Bhagavatam Guru, so he will, start giving his class, and then we would make notes, both of us. तो ये जो compulsion था, that made us compulsorily eat at that time. But जब से ये online शुरू हो गया, और बोलते घर में बैठे, हाँ ठीक है ना, सुनते सुनते खाना भी बन जाएगा. Oh my God, it spoiled the whole thing. Correct, no? So now there is only one thing. What is that? I have to control my own self now to come back to that regimen. Because when we eat early, then what happens? We can wake up early. I don't have the ability that I will eat at 9:30, 10 in the night and then I'll get up at 4:30 in the morning. मेरे से नहीं होगा वो. The more I eat, first class नींद आता है सवेरे. पता ही नहीं चलता है टाइम कहाँ चला गया, right? So therefore, diet is very important. And obviously next is exercise. Okay, this is another struggle because for me, I am a lazy fellow when it comes to exercise. Yesterday only one friend of mine chastised me. Daily जा रहा है ना walking? झूठ बोला. I told him हाँ जा रहा हूँ. I know he will yell at me. But I'm trying to, but not daily नहीं हो रहा है. In fact, I started daily, then something came up and again I gave up. So stop. But I have been told, even this time when I met some devotees who I go for advice to, they said that you can't ignore this. This is new. I never was exposed to this. I never knew the importance of meditation. But Mataji, we request you to talk to everyone about this aspect, okay? Because you have more experience in doing this, okay? So, meditation aspect, we have devotees. How many of you do daily meditation? I'm not talking about mantra meditation, Hare Krishna ne. Meditation. Okay. You also do? Okay. So, 2 personalities from our program are doing meditation. Kaustubh Prabhu and Kavisha Mataji. Okay, please get in touch with them, and then you can share with others also. In fact, I told my wife to talk to you more on that because I want to take time out for meditation, which is outside of my 16 rounds of chanting. अगर chanting attentively करना है तो mind has to be. All of us realize जैसे ही chanting को बैठता है क्या आ जाता है? क्या आ जाता है chanting को बैठेंगे तो?
सब याद आता है.
ऑफिस में क्या, हाँ पूरा दुनिया याद आता है. एंड योर माइंड टेक्स यू ऑन अ वर्ल्ड टूर, एंड देन बाद में हम लोग वी रियलाइज दैट वी वेर चैंटिंग ऑल द टाइम. करेक्ट, नो? वी रियलाइज वी वेर चैंटिंग और पता ही नहीं चलता राउंड कभी खत्म हो गया. अच्छा हो गया चैंटिंग, हाँ बाप रे.
प्रसादम का क्वेश्चन.
हाँ प्रसादम का भी क्वेश्चन. हाँ बट लेडीज को होगा ना, बिकॉज सी एक्सपेशली वर्किंग मदर्स और वर्किंग मदर इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट जॉब, राइट? नो, तो यू विल हैव टू थिंक क्या खाना बनाओ आज, उसके लिए क्या बनाओ, बच्चे के लिए बनाओ, कौन सा कपड़ा बनाओ, आयरन करो, ये करो, वो करो, बोगा भी लगाना, अरे चैंटिंग करो, बाद में करो, सब लोग को भेज के बाद में करो चैंटिंग. दिस इज हाउ योर माइंड पूरा मोड ऑफ पैशन में चले जाएंगे हम लोग. दैट इज टाइम मैनेजमेंट. वहाँ पे अगेन यू हैव टू मैनेज योर time, you know your responsibilities, right? So of course sometimes if you are not able to wake up early, then you may have to decide, okay, at least I'll do 2 rounds, after that I'll go and cook in the kitchen. But again wo discipline chahiye, right? And for that fitness is extremely important. For doing bhakti also, what is important? I'll tell you, because I'm such a lazy fellow to exercise now, I had to give up my deity worship because of that. I used to do deity worship for almost 2-3-4 साल मैंने किया. Okay, मंगल आरती में go and dress गौर नेता है, बेद गौर नेता, I did all that. But after some time what happened? Because I had an accident after that and I had to do this, some 13 screws and plate and all was there. This broke, right? And then I had 2 surgeries on that to remove the plate, to put the plate. 2 major surgeries हुआ. And उसके बाद से यहाँ से पूरा pain. So when I do this, you have to do this when you're dressing the Lord. So, and I can't do this for a long time. It kills me. And then you have to carry those plates and trays of the Lord. You remember, na? In Mangalarti mein, you have to go take. I just couldn't do that for, I just lost it. And then उसके बाद पता था मुझे exercise करके, but exercise lazy तब तक नहीं होने वाला है वो. So I had to actually take because of that problem and back problem यहाँ पे. Okay, and बैठ के जो deity service करते हैं ना, we call छोटा गौर नेता dressing. Okay, so I couldn't do that. Okay, so without exercise and health, we will not be able to do physical services also. And then therapy and counseling, we should not underestimate that also. Okay, if we are going through some trauma, don't think that okay, people will no. See, Prabhupada said chant and be happy. बराबर है, right? But sometimes situation is such that we need to seek therapy, right? So that is, if your situation warrants like that, go ahead and seek it. Okay, and counseling. For example, कुछ problems ऐसे हैं which you really need someone to advise you on. It's a very personal problem. Then go ahead and reach to devotees. Rupa Goswami in Nectar of Instruction also writes this famous verse: Dadati pratigranati guhyam akhyati pritchati bhukte bhojayate chaiva sadvidi priti lakshanam. 6 loving exchanges between devotees are given in the scriptures. एक डिवोटी और दूसरे डिवोटी के बीच में प्रेम का प्रमाण क्या है? What is the symptom of loving relationships? And what is one of the symptom? भूखते भोजयते चैव. नहीं, भूखते भोजयते चैव means what? प्रसादम के लिए बुलाइए और उनके घर पे भी जाइए. That is one. ददाति प्रतिगृह्णति. Accept gifts and give gifts. That way relationship बना रहेगा. But the third one, as you said, is what? गुह्यम अख्याति पृच्छति. Reveal your mind in confidence to somebody who you trust, to a senior devotee. Reveal your mind in confidence. Talk about your struggles. Do not keep your struggles to yourself. कुछ नहीं होगा, struggles अपने पास रखे. So be open about it, but talk to someone who you trust. ऐसा नहीं किसी को जाके बोलो या मंदिर के कोर्टयार्ड में जाके you cannot shout I have this problem. कोई है? No. Talk to someone who naturally you will trust, that they will maintain the confidentiality, and then they are capable and competent of giving you advice. Just being sincere is not important. One has to have the skill also, one has to have the competence also to solve a problem. Does it make sense? For example, I remember one day Burijan Prabhu was giving class. He said that one day I realized I'm late for my flight. I had to reach the airport in 30 minutes. So I needed a top class driver who will not goof up. उसको रोड बिल्कुल पता हो and बराबर से he can navigate and reach me to the airport. So they presented one fellow. I said कौन है? आता है, ड्राइविंग आता है. Maharaj, very good devotee, first class chanting he does in the morning. Maharaj said, I am not asking about his chanting right now. I am asking about his skill. उसका साधना का नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. बहुत अच्छा devotee है. So somebody may be a very good devotee, but they may not have the skills to counsel. Right? So it has to be intent and competence. Both are required. Simply intent without competence is right, and simply competence without the background of scriptural knowledge will be what? कुछ विपरीत suggestion देंगे. Correct or no? Right? So therefore that is important. Therapy, counseling. Okay, next one.
Job, business, source of income, earn without compromising bhakti and retire timely.
Okay. What is written there?
Job, indispensableness, salary over promotion, work hours, delegation, travel, ethics.
Oh. Okay, we'll just take that one. So job or business, okay? Now nobody is saying don't earn money. किधर बोला है ऐसा भक्ति में? Nobody is saying don't earn money. Okay, because we need a source of income, right? Now we have to learn to do our jobs without compromising our bhakti, right? And that comes by developing competence and capability on the job. Okay, I remember when I was in Japan, my president, he called on me and told me that Jagan, you have to learn how to pour wine or pour beer into bottle glass में, because Japanese they take offense Okay, if you don't serve them beer, बुरा लगता है उनको. You have to serve them and you have to bow down also. मैं बोला मैं ये सब नहीं करूँगा. मैं एक तो beer मैं अंदर ही नहीं जाऊँगा बाहर में. And I will not. So he said, no, you have to learn. When in Rome, be a Roman. मैं बोला ये सब फंडा मेरे को मत देना. When in Rome, be a Roman. No. So when you are in a gutter, be a pig. Is that okay? So ऐसा नहीं होगा, right? So I said, I cannot do it, sir. I'm very sorry. And he was upset, but he couldn't touch me. He could not touch me because I had other ways by which customer को मैं manage कर लेता था. Okay, I realized, and it's not that I was a Gautam Buddha there. I was also taking instruction from some senior devotee. He said, job में ऐसा बनना कि वो 10 बार सोचेगा इसको निकालने से पहले तुझे वो पोजीशन से. Have a good control over your team. कंट्रोल मत छोड़ना जॉब में कभी भी, ठीक है. डेवलप स्किल्स, डेवलप कॉम्पिटेंस, डेवलप क्रेडिबिलिटी विद द कस्टमर. Nobody will touch you after that, right? And he could not touch. He tried to send me also back, but he could not do that. उसको क्या चाहिए? At the end of the day, what does he want? What does he want? He wants money. He wants me to make money for company. That's all. I told him इतना बनाना है, इतना टारगेट, ठीक है, बनाता हूँ. Without pouring one alcohol, if I give you business, तेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम है उसमें? नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Meet the target and show me. Fine. कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा. क्यों? Who helped me? He saw ये compromise नहीं कर रहा है. He will do something. वो client का अंदर भी परमात्मा है ना. उसको कौन? Who will come as परमात्मा with the client's heart? Krishna will come. So these are the times in our life when we will be tested. Whether how much कितना faith है भगवान के ऊपर. So this is a basic principle. This left hand side is about principles. Right hand side is about actions. Right. So this is the principle. What is that? Earn without compromising your bhakti. And what is another principle? Retire timely. This is very important. So we have to decide कि मुझे इतना समय के बाद काम नहीं करना है. One time I was sitting with a client and he was saying, Jagan, you should work till 75. मैं बोला, you work till 75. मेरे से नहीं होगा, right? मतलब उसका फंडा ऐसा था कि work till you dead. मतलब अपना डेड बॉडी डॉकलैंड से ही जाना चाहिए. 14th फ्लोर में एम्बुलेंस आएगा, वहीं से जाएगा. कोडिंग हो गया सर. So चलो. But ऐसा नहीं होता है. Life is not like that, right? And we don't want to waste our life, till 75, doing work for something. And after that, who is going to remember you? Will anyone remember us? क्या कोड लिखा है उसने यार? कोई नहीं, कमेंट में रहेगा किधर. और कुछ गलती हो तो 4 लोग गाली भी देगा. ऐसा लिख के मर भी गया ऊपर. मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, इंसिडेंट, राइट? सो देयरफॉर corporate world is the most thankless people. So do not make your plan to be there forever, right? Find out smart ways of retiring timely. And what are the principles? First is job में become indispensable in your job. Develop your expertise. Okay, don't go and read Bhagavatam in office. Read Bhagavatam at home. In office, read whatever that you have to do for your careers. Okay, take care of your careers. Nobody is saying in bhakti, give up your career, right? In fact, Arjuna was telling, do your duty as a Kshatriya. आता है ना बाण चलाने को, इतना फर्स्ट क्लास चलाना, उसका इधर से निकलना चाहिए उसका सर, right? That is skill of Arjun, right? So indispensableness. Then always prioritize salary over promotion. These are all practical tips. Now don't ask me भागवतम में कौन सा वर्ष में लिखा है, ऐसा मत पूछना. These are all experience से from senior devotees that I am giving. Prioritize salary over promotion. Promotion से क्या मिलेगा? काम क्या होता है? बढ़ेगा, ठीक है. लेकिन if you know something which nobody knows, they will keep on giving you salary because if you go away, कोई करेगा नहीं वो काम. Nobody knows what to do. I remember in NAB we had one guy, Nigel करके. That guy knew what was happening in the mainframe box. When they wanted to do a finance transformation, वो नाइजल का चरण का धूल, मतलब उसका चरण पानी सब लोग पीते थे, मतलब मेटाफोरिकली हम से. अब बैठिए ना, आपको कोई कष्ट तो नहीं हुआ नाइजल साहब? I don't have time. I'm going for coffee break now. इतना एटीट्यूड था उसको. But everyone was doing salam to him because only he knows what is happening in that mainframe system. Age old. So it is not that to earn money, you have to keep in touch with new technologies because sometimes you will need an expert in that old dabba जिसको कुछ नहीं आता है. Does it make sense? Two things are very precious. New things which have come in the market are very precious and antiques are very expensive, right? So you can make money being an antique also, right? So remember that. At the end of the day, you have to be indispensable and always prioritize salary, because at the end of the day, your money is what going to make you retire early, not your position in office, right? So remember to earn responsibly. And if you are good at it, demand salary. Don't say that उधर जाके ऐसा humble नहीं बनने का बॉस के सामने. Oh sir, I am just a servant. जो भगवान देगा अरे बोला है क्या बात है यार, उसको देता हूँ मैं salary, right? Do not do the, because sometimes we see many humble devotees, now they do the humility in office. Office में humble नहीं, office में पैसा निकालने का, correct? Then work hours, not more than 8 hours. So make yourself not available, right? How they will entice you? They will say that we have a role for president. What they will do is they will put, suppose you and she are there, both of you are there together, and you and he are there, let's say, together. You all are peers. क्या होगा? Your nightmare will be that उनको report करना पड़ेगा आपको, correct? And her nightmare is she will have to report to you. But that is where we can use our spiritual life. Who cares who we report to? It is really not that important, right? What is more, and when if it comes to that और उसके साथ जम नहीं रहा है तो leave that company. Focus on the skills. Focus on the skills. Focus on your marketability at all points in time, right? Focus on your marketability, right? उसको आगे जाने दो, more responsibility. I took that decision in my life in 2008 to refuse very very senior positions, and I'm telling you, I'm the happiest man on earth. जो लोग ने लिया है उनका जिंदगी गया है. They only complain and tell me, अरे यार अच्छा हो यार तू घर, हम लोग को एक दिन चैन नहीं है लाइफ में. They can't even, they don't have time to eat also, right? ऐसा है. One of them is in mental depression में है वो अभी US में. Peers, we were both peers, right? And what he did, he went on promotion, and then what happened? One day in front of his eyes, he lost his daughter. उसके बाद he has lost the goal only of life. अभी he doesn't know, he's disoriented now, what to do. किसके लिए मैं जी रहा हूँ? किसके लिए promotion? Who will I come home and tell कि मैं प्रमोट हो गया? My daughter would say, congratulations पापा, अभी वही नहीं है तो किसको बोलूँ मैं जाके, correct? All these things we are relevant to us till the time we have people to share our joys with. These have no absolute credibility in itself. None of these things have, right? So work hours कम रखना, more and more work hours will, you will say that chanting के लिए time नहीं है, right? Then what is the next one? Dedication नहीं होगा, delegation. If you are in managerial roles, delegate as much as possible. Your boss will appreciate it, right? Try to manage more than do things. That requires delegation, okay? Delegation is one of the most important aspects of management, okay? जिसको grow होना है उसको काम पे लगाओ, वो भी खुश, आप भी खुश, बराबर है? Okay? Then travel. हाँ, many times your job may involve quite a bit of travel, so try to take up jobs which don't require you to travel much, okay? That's one of another decision which I took in 2008, because they said if we are taking you into a director role, but you will have to go to China, or at least you will have to keep traveling. Your base will be India and you travel to China very often, or you base in China, which is fantastic for the organization. I said Jairam ji ki. I will be in Melbourne. They said if you are in Melbourne, you will lose this opportunity. Golden opportunity है, letter भी आगे है. You just have to sign and give it to us. I said नहीं करूँगा. And my bosses were very upset. I said to hell with you all. मैं नहीं जाऊँगा मैं. क्यों मैं इधर मेरा मेलबर्न में साधना छोड़ के जाऊँगा उधर, right? Where will I get such association, right? So I took that decision in my own life, and I don't regret in 1 minute, because then after that Krishna took care of my finances in different ways. Okay, but you will have to take those decisions. Because travel करोगे तो क्या होगा? पहला तो प्रसादन नहीं मिलेगा. कहाँ खाओ? कहीं भी you will have to go to some nonsense place and eat something. In a non-veg restaurant you will be sitting and eating, right? And you will be asking for veg food. They will say इधर नहीं है. Then you will say चलेगा, क्या है? Job है ना, तो कभी कभी खाना पड़ेगा ना, and then gone after that. So be careful. I am not saying don't travel. I am saying that don't keep it in such a way that keep yourself in such a position that you are so much traveling that you don't have time. दिन रात का पता नहीं चलता है. You are on the jet setting most of the time. And do not compromise on ethics on the job. If you are competent, you will have to less compromise on ethics on the job. Even if your boss gives you ulta सीधा suggestions, you will say नहीं करूँगा. Yeah, I will not, because sometimes it happens. Many people, because of majburi, they have been manipulated by their bosses, and then when the problem comes, boss will, मैंने तो नहीं किया, इसने किया, So do not keep yourself in such positions. I'll just finish this, not this full slide, ये वाला खाली, and then we'll have prasadam. Investments. Set financial goals. Never work in your life without doing financial planning. Okay, we have experts here. Where is Neeraj Prabhu? किधर है? हाँ, yeah, we have financial experts. I'm sure you will say not. अब ना तो नहीं बोलोगे ना? हाँ? Free है? Okay. Service free है आपको, ठीक है? So financial planning. Talk to people who have done robust financial planning in their lives. Talk to someone who is competent in that area, right? People who are qualified and who are experienced. Respect their experience and obviously if you speak to a devotee का financial planning कैसा होगा? Based on what will be the center of the financial planning? Devotional life, right? Financial planning बहुत लोग करेंगे. If you go to a professional, you can go outside also. But what is his goal? He'll say, how can you multiply your money? Like that at 80, you can go to Los Angeles and enjoy. You know, वो उसका फंडा वो होगा. अपने को लॉस एंजलिस जाके उधर नदी में एंजॉय नहीं करना है. For us, we want to earn such a way that we can then completely focus our life on 100% on our doing our Krishna consciousness, right? So that is our goal. That is why go to a devotee financial planner. Otherwise, go to a financial planner and go to a devotee and then have a middleware between both, so that you kind of arrive at some common ground. So, but set financial goals for which you have to know your expenses. So make a sheet. If you want, I'll give you a template, okay, of your expenses. Otherwise, I'm sure Neeraj Prabhu has such templates. घर का जो एक्सपेंसेस है उसका बराबर ट्रैक होना चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट से पता ही नहीं है कितना हो रहा है. सपोज आई एम सरप्राइज सो मेनी डिवोटीज कम टू मी एंड वी हैव डन प्लानिंग फॉर सो मेनी पीपल. उनको पता है घर का खर्चा क्या है एंड दे गिव सम अब्सर्ड नंबर. प्रभु जी हम लोग सिंपल रहते हैं, 1200 में हो जाता है. मैं 1200 में कौन सा घर चलता है भाई मेलबर्न में? नहीं, मॉर्टगेज नहीं, मॉर्टगेज के बगैर भी 1200 में नहीं होगा. फैमिली ऑफ 4 पीपल $1200 में कहां से होगा? तो देन आई एम टेलिंग देम ये निकाला वो लिखा. अरे वो तो सोचा ही नहीं वो एक्सपेंस के बारे में, ये एक्सपेंस के बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. दे विल टॉक ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो हैव इट क्लियर. सो विल गिव अ टेम्पलेट. उसमें वो होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू हैव अ क्लियर आइडिया. Then what is the next one? Contextual investments. Contextual investments means it's not that investment strategy is not one for everyone. It's based on everyone's individual needs. Everyone is in different age groups. Everyone is in different income groups. Everyone has got a different standard of living. Does it make sense? Right? So it has to be very customized for you, right? So that's what I was talking about. Contextualize, and your investments will also be आपके पास डिस्पोजेबल इनकम कितना है जो आपको नहीं चाहिए, राइट? विच वी विल पुट इट इन ग्रोथ फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म एंड दैट विच यू विल हैव टू सेट असाइड फॉर इमरजेंसीज सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू गो एंड टेक अ शॉर्ट टर्म लोन एट अ वेरी हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट एंड गेट इनटू अ डेट ट्रैप. डज इट मेक सेंस? सो दोज आर ऑल कन्वर्सेशंस व्हिच यू शुड हैव. उसके बाद क्या है? इंक्रीजिंग लिक्विडिटी विथ एज. एज यू ग्रो ओल्ड एंड ओल्ड, डू नॉट कीप योर एसेट्स in house and real estate and all that. Okay, many people will advise जितना घर लोगे उतना अच्छा है. But जैसा जैसा we become old, what do we need? We need liquidity. जो पट से बेच सके. कैश चाहिए मुझे कल. I want a medical treatment. I want to fly to India. I want to do this. I want to do that. You need liquidity because at some point in time we have to come to that stage where now we are going to enjoy our money. When I say enjoy, not in terms of going to cinema houses. You understand what I'm saying? We always think that सेव कर करके बच्चों को दे दो. But yes, it's not bad. Keep something for them. But for yourself, you have to keep. Otherwise, you'll be working till 75, and you'll have to come again after that. Why? Because you are given to your child. You have to take another birth, so child will give to you. Good karma will come back anyway. वो कर्मा भोगतने के लिए वापस आना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. So therefore, we have to keep some money, and that is not selfishness. We have to live for whatever we have earned. And then you can keep aside something. हाँ ठीक है, लड़की है, शादी के लिए रखा है, लड़का को कुछ देखे गए, one house. But not that you say that I'll keep on working so that my son doesn't have to work or my daughter doesn't have to work. That way you are making them also lazy, right? So you have to have that corpus such a way that you can then retire early and then you can spend that money on yourself. That's what you have to spend. Give it for Krishna consciousness purposes. That money will be required for you to travel to Vrindavan Yatra, Mayapur Yatra. कहाँ से आएगा वो पैसा? So do that. So that is what. So as you become old, liquidity will become more and more important for us. Quick money becomes more and more important as we age, right? So do not keep it in illiquid assets, right? And then manage your inheritances properly. If you have to receive something from your father or whatever, ensure that parents are making will so that you receive it timely and properly. Ensure documentation is adequate. I'm telling you, I'm the only child of my father. So everyone told me, यार easy है, कुछ भी problem नहीं है. वो बराबर है, nobody will dispute. But I'm telling you, the processes are so hard. I had to fight with banks. 2 India trips I had to make to get everything sorted out, though I was the only son. But in fact, every trip, even before that, before my father left, I had to go and make an Excel sheet. कौन सा FD कहाँ पे है, कौन सा बैंक में है, कब मैच्योर हो रहा है, सर्टिफिकेट है क्या, नॉमिनी डाला है क्या. Do this. Do not underestimate the importance of this. Do this now before they leave. After they leave, you will have a lot of problems. Banks will give you problems, I can tell you. Nobody releases money easily, right? Especially government bank में जाओगे तो मरवाएंगे आपको वो लोग, right? If you have locker, if your parents के नाम पे है locker, उसके अंदर gold है, ensure you know the locker number. Make an Excel sheet. I can talk about it in detail if you want, but आज नहीं. अभी because we have to come back to our main topics. Create a will also, okay? If you have not created a will, if you are already around 40 हो गया है, then it's time to create a will. Ensure that your money doesn't go to government, right? Let's not leave our body intestate, they say, no, right? कोई नहीं है फिर वो कोई बैंक लेके जाएगा. So do not do that. So we have to manage our inheritances plus also our own will. So ये चीज को being busy in life, do not ignore all these things because all this will be income management. Does it make sense? Everything? Yeah? Okay. प्रभु जी टाइम हो गया ना अभी? हाँ ठीक है. So we will just quickly discuss these two in the next class. Okay? But you can take a photo, think through this. इसमें most of the things are very self-explanatory, like bucketizing your lifestyle. ये इनकम के बारे में बात किया, ये अभी एक्सपेंसेस के बारे में बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक. ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू. हरे कृष्णा. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. एंड प्लीज टू गेट बैक टू मी ऑन द सर्विस फॉर जगत तारिणी माता जी, राइट? फॉर द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. मोर वॉलंटियर्स द बेटर. हरे कृष्णा.